Now, Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
Our Zephyr cam is showing partly cloudy skies here in Honolulu. Now, we haven't been seeing much moisture, and tomorrow nothing big is changing. Really on our threat, though, is the ocean conditions. That's ahead of Flossie as it makes its way. We're seeing some tropical storm warning that is taking place across the entire state. That's from 40 to 240 nautical miles, so really just for you boaters to be aware of that. 15 to 25 knot winds, even stronger than that in the next few days. High surf warning for the east-facing shores of Maui and Hawaii Island went in place today. 10 to 15 footers, that along with a high surf advisory, both until Monday morning at 6 o'clock. Now, the high surf advisory is for east-facing shores of Molokai, Oahu, and Kauai. And again, that's ahead of Flossie, so we can expect that to change as Flossie makes its course closer towards the islands. Now, right now, Flossie still is at a tropical storm, but we do have a weakening trend, well, for both, but tropical depression now, Eric, continues to move towards the west as it makes its way closer towards an area with even stronger wind shear. So within the next 3 days, we expect this to dissipate. Really not going to be bringing any more impacts to the state, with the exception of Kauai and Ni'ihau, that will continue to see some associated cloud coverage and moisture from that system throughout tomorrow. Now, in terms of Flossie, still considered a tropical storm, winds are sustained at 45-mile-per-hour winds in the center of that system. Now, this is also making its way in towards an area of continual elements that's going to be weakening this system. More wind shear, cooler waters. As this makes its way, we do expect this to turn into a tropical depression by tomorrow. As it continues to do so, one, it will start to veer in a northwesterly direction, but it's going to start to weaken down to a remnant low by Tuesday. At that time, we'll continue to move up. It really depends in what particular track within this cone of uncertainty when we're going to see the impacts and how great those impacts are in terms of wind in particular. We did see a slight change in this updated forecast that came in at 5 o'clock with a closer track towards the islands, which means we can expect some windier conditions. We are looking at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in terms of timeline for that system that we're going to be seeing. In terms of our oceans, again, high surf warning for the east-facing east side of the state, and high surf advisory from the central towards the west end of the state for the east-facing shores. North and west, flat to 2, south shores, 3 to 6 as we're looking at for tomorrow. Now, again, in the days to come, we are expecting the changes to come on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for Flossie. The biggest thing with this, just to take into account, Flossie will be blocking off our trade winds by the time Monday comes. So we are looking at a couple days in the beginning of the week of humid conditions, but back to trade wind weather for the second half.
Felt a little humid out there today.
Gosh, I woke up and I felt like I was in a pool of my own sweat.
Yes, I actually was in a pool of my own sweat. I think it's important to remember, too, with Flossie, even though it's weakening. 3 years ago, it was the remnants of Darby, right?
Yeah,
Oahu caught some cracks with that.
And we have to remember how the system churns in a direction. The tail that it leaves behind continues to have some moisture and instability. So even though the center of the system may be past, we still are dealing with the impacts of the remnants, which could still be catastrophic to some level.
Exactly. Kamaka, thank you so much.